Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can link a lock screen or home screen to a focus mode on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Focus. Then in here, tap on a focus. Next, go down to the Customize Screens section and then tap on Choose button. Now there are two different screens right here. The one on the left is the lock screen and the one on the right is the home screen. So I'm going to tap on the Choose button for the lock screen. In here, you can choose to create a new lock screen, or you can choose one from your existing lock screens. So here, if you decide to choose a new one, you can tap on it, and here you can choose a different tone. You can choose a clock style, you can choose widget style, or you can leave it as the default and then tap on Add. Now you can choose set as wallpaper pair, or you can customize the home screen. So I'm going to choose set as wallpaper pair for now. Okay, so now I have selected my lock screen. Next, I can choose my home screen. So tap on Choose, and here you can choose the type of home screen that you want to use. You can also create a new page as well, and then tap on Edit Apps, and then in here you can choose which apps will be able to use during this particular focus, and then tap on Done, and then tap on Add. Alright, so we have added a new home screen page and a new lock screen page, and we have linked it to this work focus. Alright, so now if you swipe up to go back to the home screen, you can see that if I tap on focus and turn on work focus, then you can see my background will automatically change, and when I turn off work focus, my home screen and lock screen will go back to the default. And that is how you can link a home screen and a lock screen to a focus on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.